So in this circuit, two devices are connected, device 1 and device 2 here. Both devices' ratings are given. 9 volts 45 milliwatts is this one, and this one is 24 volts and 480 milliwatts. We need to find the the value of two resistances in the circuit. The supply voltage is 24 volts and we have a fuse here, 60 milliamps is the fuse rating. So in order to solve this problem, what we can first notice is, for device 2, this one, voltage rating is 24 volts, that's V, and power is 480 milliwatts. So these two are given. From these two readings we can get the current that it will draw. So that is, I will be P over V, because P is equal to VI, and that will be 480 divided by 24 milliwatt, so it will be milliampere, 20 milliamps. So that will be the value of current here. Then if we notice the second device, 9 volts and 45 milliamps, this one will draw, I will be 45 milliwatts divided by 9 volts will be 5 milliamps, because this is milliwatt and this is volts. So that is the current for device 1. So we will assume that we don't want this resistance to draw any current. We want this to be an open circuit basically. So R2 is infinity, let's say. Ideally it can be very high, but we can just get rid of this for that matter. So 5 ampere current goes through this as well, 5 milliamps, sorry, and this one here is 20 milliamps. So voltage drop across R1 will be, here we have 9 volts voltage drop of voltage, so we will have, since the total voltage is 24 volts, here we have 24 volts, so the voltage drop across R1 will be 24 minus 9, so that will be VR1. If we say, that will be 24 minus 9, which is 15 volts. So we have the voltage drop across this resistance. So we can find the value of this resistance, because we know the current through this resistance will be 5 milliamps, because we are assuming that this resistance to be infinity. We don't want this resistance to draw any current basically. The whole 5 milliamps will go through the device, which the device is rating. So R1 will be 15 volts divided by 5 milliamps, so that will be 3 kilo ohms. So that will be the value of R1. So R1 is 3 kilo ohms and R2 is infinity. That means we can get rid of any resistance there. That's an open circuit basically, because we don't want to load this one with any current. The whole current will go through this. That way this will also dissipate less current, the total current will be less as well.